Estate planning legal advice platforms pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume creating an estate plan requires expensive, in-person lawyers. The surprising truth is that online legal advice platforms make it affordable, accessible, and easy to manage your wills, trusts, and directives digitally. Pricing varies. Basic consultations may cost, giving you guidance on creating a will or power of attorney. Comprehensive packages can include living trusts, healthcare directives, and document review. Subscription models per month provide ongoing support, updates, and secure document storage. For example, a package could include a step-by-step consultation, legally valid documents, and access to updates whenever your situation changes. Some platforms even offer guidance on tax implications and probate avoidance, maximizing the benefits of your estate plan. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on upfront costs. The real value comes from convenience, legal expertise, and peace of mind. You can ensure your family is protected and your assets distributed according to your wishes without unnecessary stress or expense. In conclusion, estate planning legal advice platforms deliver excellent value for your money. They provide professional guidance, secure storage, and long-term support, making estate planning simple, accessible, and cost-effective.